I have always trusted that whatever I'm supposed to do is going to be divinely guided, and if I'm putting my full energy into something, that it's gonna produce. It's about just doing it. Nike had it right. Just do it. So practice is really the best thing you can do. And now we have YouTube videos and all these other things that you can go online and easily get courses and things taught to yourself. Right. So you don't even have to go into a class per se now. You do it all at home. You can. That's why I like going to festivals. That's kind of my art church, basically. You know, it's congregating together, getting our soul tribe together, people giving me feedback in person, which is important. And then I go back and isolate and retreat and create. So it's a good balance. I think the first impression that my artwork gives off is the divine feminine, and it has a spiritual aspect to it. People that see it get that right away, I think. I feel like my artwork doesn't fit into a really necessary category too. It's not traditional visionary, it's not traditional surrealism. It's more whatever it is that you want it to be. So I, of course, come into obstacles with money. Everyone does, and no matter what profession, and especially art, because it's had such a stigma of starving artists, you'll never make money type of attitudes. And that is the whole reason why I did graphic design for 10 years. I was like, oh, I'm never gonna make money. I definitely had that attitude, and so I did that, and then it took me hating doing that on a computer, which I thought would be my, practical saving grace, to go back to the roots and go, I don't even care if I make money or not. I'd rather sit with my paints under a bridge in a box than to do a job that I don't like. And I'll never go back. I've been doing it for 6 years now. I definitely was at times oh gosh, am I doing the right thing? It's normal to question the path that you're on, especially when you're not getting the results that you're wanting right away, because there's many different ways to make money with art now, especially now more than ever. And social media is a blessing in that way too, because you can reach to a lot of different people. The internet's a blessing. YouTube, use all the different things that you can use. Some artists are going to be more successful by going into the gallery world. Some people are more successful online. It's all dependent on what you focus your energy into and what message do you want to put out there in the world. And things will come along in the process. You'll try different things, and some things will work and some things won't, and that's okay. And failure and mistakes are all part of the process, and they're not mistakes necessarily, they're good things. And that goes with creation too, and the process of creating. It's you don't be scared to be perfect, or don't try to be perfect, really. That's what's the beauty, is the imperfections, and same with life. Don't try to be freaking perfect. Hi, my name's Erica Wexler. You can follow me on Instagram at Erica Wexler. I have a website you can buy prints and originals from, www.ericawexlerart.com. See you there. Perfect.